Yeah, I bought myself a new dishwasher and without a front. So now I'm gonna make the front, and these are not the right measurements or anything. This is just the idea. This is pallet wood. This is some other stuff I had lying around, panel. So I'm gonna glue these together and make the pallet wood as a frame. And yeah, this is the start of it. Now you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna just take it apart. So I made some cuts, but these are the wrong cuts because I fucked up another project. But yeah, this is the idea. Now I have to make the right cuts for these to fit with these according to the dimensions of the dishwasher. Same with the top and bottom, and I probably have to take one of those or two of those away. And then we're in business. 59.5 and 59.5 should be good then. I'll draw the line. Now this is DIY, you're always working on floor in a some messy place. Yeah. Yeah, so now I need these two, the side ones, to be 720 centimeters, and I'll cut them in a 45-degree to make a frame, and then we're rolling. Remember to cut it like this, and not like this and this. Yeah, probably understand why when you do it. Like that. See where you're gonna cut. Easy. I made the frame, and you know, there are some different colors here. I wanted it to be more or less the same since it's a frame. Yeah, I'll give you another angle. Just like that. Yeah, got some glue. Won't apply much because these are cut to fit like a glove. Just to add some to the center. That's how to do it. I don't know if you can see it, but now I had to add this. That's how the story goes. Like a glove. Now the grand finale. Yeah, I think this gluing the whole thing together is going to be a fiasco. Apply glue here. I've done it here. Now, pressure. A success. We'll have to see. Now I'm gonna start working on the handle. Not quite sure if I'm just gonna use one of the IKEA ones I have, or that we already used, or if I'm gonna make an oaken one. If I find an oak piece that matches, perfect. You know, it looks rotten, but that's only like a 5 millimeters or something. Just chip it away, and it's good solid oak underneath. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it off here, make a straight cut. Gonna round the corners, and then I'm gonna clean it up, hollow, make like a hollow thing under here, so you'll get your hands underneath for the handle thing, and then you can pull it up. So I did the cut with the jigsaw, so I get a groove like this, but I need to get this piece away so it'll be straight and not, you know, in an angle. Yeah, quite happy with the result. This will fasten well to my dishwasher. Didn't need a steel plate because I felt you could just feel if it's sturdy enough. And it'll be so. I'll fasten this to my dishwasher and then it'll work like a charm. This is how it became.